I want to show you how to change the Instagram grid layout on your phone. Instagram recently changed their grid layout to rectangular, but you can still modify it. I'll show you how to do it. So first thing you need to do is to open the Instagram application and go to your account, and you can see that Instagram has recently changed their grid layout from a square to rectangular. Now, if you want to change the grid, you can tap on each photo if you want and tap on Adjust Preview. Now, this will give you the option to adjust the preview of this photo. As you can see, I can zoom in or zoom out, and I can move it around with my finger. Now, I have the option to tap on Fit or Fill, and as you can see, it gives it a little background to make it a square, and I can even change the color of the background from white to black. These are the only two options that I have. And then I tap on Done. And as you can see, it changes the grid of that photo on my Instagram account. Now, if you want to switch these posts around, move them around, you can tap on each one of them and pin to main grid. It will just pin that photo to the main grid on the top, and it will move the other photos, the more recent photos, down. And this is the only option you have for moving the photos around, not much else. So for example, I want to adjust the preview of this other one, and I tap on Fit, and I choose the black background like that, and Done. And then I can pin it to the top. So this is how it works. There isn't any other way to move your photos around. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe.